In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix Shopify Payout pending. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. There are multiple reasons that cause this problem, okay? So if your payout is pending, then just watch this video. I'm going to be showing you guys 4 solutions on how you can fix this problem. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings. Let's just start with the basic solution. After you click, guys, on settings, you want to click on payments. Okay, so if you have like Shopify payments enabled on your Shopify, you want to click on manage in the top right. Okay, so after, guys, you click on manage, you want to scroll down and make sure everything is set up. Like, make sure your bank details are accurate and there is no problem with your bank. Or for example, the payout schedule, make sure you select here, for example, business day or every week or every month. Okay, you can also check this box that says get notified by email every time you get a payout. Okay, so as you can see here, if you want to select week, for example, you can set it, as you can see, Monday or Friday, not Friday. As you can see, you can just select here business day, so like every single day, every business day you will receive your payout. Make sure you click on save in the top. Now make sure if you received, like, make sure you check your email if there is a problem with your Shopify payments or if there is like an error. Now I have typed all this. As you can see, guys, first, the first step is to contact like Shopify support to check if there is a problem with your Shopify payments. Now also the second step, guys, is to verify your payout settings, like double check your payout settings in your Shopify admin panel, like ensure that your bank information is correctly entered and up to date. Also check for any notifications or requirements. Sometimes pending payouts can be due to the additional information or action required from your side. You can also review your payout schedule, like review the payout schedule for your payment provider, Shopify payments, etc. As you can see, some payment providers have a specific payout schedule that may affect the timing of your payouts. Like, make sure you are aware of your payout schedule. Now, if you tried all of this and it doesn't work, you want to contact Shopify directly. Just click search here on a new tab for contact like Shopify support, and then you will be able to talk to a real person that will help you fix this problem. Okay, so you can just contact Shopify directly, like I said, and you can talk to a robot here, and then they will redirect you guys to someone. Just explain that to them, like, I want to talk to someone. Okay, just like say here, I want to talk to someone, and then they will ask you guys, the robot will ask you what is the reason behind why you want to talk to an agent. Okay, so it's okay if share more, like if you can share more about what you need, I may be able to help. If needed, I can get you to the right support team. Just explain that to the robot, and that you will take you guys directly to they will like redirect you to someone to talk to who is going to check your account and help you fix your problem. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this video helped you, please drop a like and see you guys next video.